Up until now, everything done in the database has been done one at a time. Every command to update the data was executed immediately. This works in many cases, but in many cases it can cause a problem. Let me show you a very simple example. Take a table that contains a list of names. Each name has an amount of money and a number of gold bars, and the people listed in the table buy and sell gold bars among themselves. The table and its contents, with just 2 entries, looks like this. Now, if Harold were to sell Melvin 3 gold ingots for $100 each, it would be necessary to update the table twice, resulting in the new values all around, like this. The new contents of the table reflect this sale. There were at least 2 separate updates to the database, one to the Harold row and another to the Melvin row. And this can be a problem. For some reason, if the program were to crash, the database could be in a completely wrong state, like this. The data is now wrong, and it conflicts with itself. Harold lost his ingots and got his money, but the money didn't come from anywhere, and the ingots didn't go anywhere. The numbers are wrong, and there's no quick way to fix it. Now, this is a simple example. You can see how things can get much more complicated in a system with a number of tables and a number of simultaneous users. A simple sale is enough to cause large problems. One transaction could require the creation of a new invoice, updating an order form, changing the count in the warehouse, issuing a pick list to the order filler, crediting a salesman with a sale, and so on. If you have a number of those transactions in process, and something goes wrong right in the middle of everything, you could have wrong and confusing data everywhere. Relational databases provide a clean fix for this. You can enter all of the database updates, but none of them will actually take place until they're all ready and shown to be error-free. Then they're all committed at once. In the next movie, I'll show you how to write code that creates such a transaction to commit it all in a single statement.